This is more of a pedestrian spine.
Okay.
And there are a couple of projects what we have shown you on the screen. We've got rock climbing station facility available there.
Go halfway and take a fall. Just give me a fall. So safety.
You can control the safety.
A little higher and take a fall. So might stretch. Okay, take a fall. Fall. Yeah. So this auto locks. Okay, so even if I'm distracted and a climber falls, the climber is 100% safe. And we have also, I'd like to share with you, we have also developed in Agonda an outdoor climbing area where there are a lot of in Agonda along the cliff face. We have set up climbing routes there with our own initiative where we get a lot of people from Goa and a lot of tourists coming, climbing.
There is one more climbing, there is the Kale Panchayat. Go and check up
Kale Panchayat?
There is a big wall.
They've set up a natural wall? Or?
Natural wall is there.
Okay.
It's a natural wall.
So what we are trying to do is promoting climbing as a tourism thing because it's an activity.
We'll give you a policy there.
Sure. So can we work on that?
Yeah.
Also, come back. Anything here from your delegation would like to climb? He is ready. Anybody else?
स्मार्ट सिटी पेंजिम की तरफ से पेडेस्ट्रियन स्पाइन का इनॉग्रेशन आज हमने किया है. द पेडेस्ट्रियन स्पाइन इज इन रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी फॉर द पेंजिम पीपल, फॉर द टूरिस्ट दोज हु आर कमिंग टू द पेंजिम. Here, especially for the skating, for the students, it is an rock climbing wall is already established and other recreational activity along with that. From Mala to Santa Monica, it is a 2.5 kilometers walkway is already established. मैं मेरे पूरे स्मार्ट सिटी टीम का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूँ. The 15,000 square meter of this whole property has developed into the pedestrian spine. It is one of the beautiful project of the smart city. मुझे लगता है पेंजिंग और सराउंडिंग लोगों ने ये पेडेस्ट्रियन स्पाइन प्रोजेक्ट आके देखना चाहिए. इस तरह के स्मार्ट सिटी के अंतर्गत ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल प्रोजेक्ट आज हमने इनॉग्रेट किया. ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो विजन है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सिटीज़, इसी के अंतर्गत दिस इज एक्चुअली द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पेंजिम बाय मेंटेनिंग ऑल द pathways or all the creeks. We have developed this 15,000 square meter of the whole land into the pedestrian spine. It is one of the beautiful project. आज इनॉग्रेशन करते हुए मुझे बहुत ही आनंद हो रहा है. once again thanks for the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for the Smart City project.
Thank you, sir.